Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Aigan, and I'm back with another video. And today kasama ko si
Clay.
So, sa mga nagtatanong dyan, bakit ko lagi kasama si Clay or iba kong cousin sa video? That's because bored lang ako sa bahay and I always tell them to just come by and let's do something. So, nagba-vlog lang kami and syempre, we're still in the middle of a pandemic and wala, naboboard lang kami sa bahay. And I think the least we can do is to appreciate the people around us who are willing to be with us. So, let's get back into our video. And guys, for today's video, we are going to be doing a bag raid. Okay, so mag-rock, paper, scissors lang kami para malaman kung sino ang unang magba-bag raid. Ako una. Okay guys, so I'm first. So here's my bag. It's from Crumpler. You guys can check out their website. I will link it in the description below. You can check out their website because they have lots of good quality bags that you guys might want. But this video is not sponsored. Okay, so first, we're gonna see what's inside my bag. It's the clip type. I don't know what you call it. Basta. Okay, so first up, I have my watch. Kasi I'm sort of lazy to always check my phone from time to time. So at least I have my watch. I just do like that from my wrist and the time's already there. And yeah, I have here my metal straws because I don't like using paper straws because they rip easily, and you know I don't want any problem with my straws, so I just save the turtles as well. So I use my metal straws. I have like 3 types I think in here. So okay, so next I have my Clean and Clear oil control. Diba? There. My Clean and Clear oil control. I use this because sometimes I have oily skin or oily face. I use it because it like removes all the oil. And I think Clay also uses this. Diba gumagamit ka niyan?
Maganda to, guys.
Bilhin nyo guys.
Sa Watson's. Meron nito. May iba-ibang klaseng na to.
May iba-ibang color. Hindi ko sure. Pero yeah.
Parang brown.
So next, I have my shades. Sunnies. Kasi syempre, pag lumalabas, kailangan ko ng shades. And so if I want to sleep in the car, pwede ako mag-sleep in the car. And para hindi masilaw, nag-shades ako. And of course, I also have the other type. I have normal glasses. I use this for my zoom because like para hindi masakit sa eyes. You have to like so your eyes don't hurt when you stay in front of the camera for too long. Okay, so ano pa ba laman ng bag ko?
Ay, ito.
Oh,
Meron
this
pa
one.
siya.
My Vicks. I also bring Vicks around because you know the scent or the smell outside might be a bit for my nose, so I apply this on my nose. Okay, so moving on. So I have here, of course, my wallet. I think everyone has a wallet in their bag. I have here my Paymaya card. Hindi ko sure kung may laman or something. And I have a couple of cash, 50s and 100s. 50s and 100s. Also, I have my charger. Because usually phone ko laging low bat and kailangan ko talaga ng charger. And for the charger to work, you need power bank. So I also have my power bank and backup in case I don't charge my phone enough for the day. Let's say I'm going out.
Sa Miniso niyo po ito nabili.
Miniso. And I don't know what you call this. Basta my lola like just told me to wear it whenever I go out. I think it's an air filter device, something. I don't know. You guys can comment down below and tell me what this is. And of course, alcohol, something that we need nowadays to sanitize. And I have here a dog clicker. Not sure if it works on your dogs, but personally for my dog it doesn't work. But I bring this around in case my cousins want to try to train their dog. And yeah, I also have, of course, my ball pens in case I need to sign stuff. And so you guys always need to have a ball pen in your bag. And that's pretty much it in my bag. There's nothing left inside. There's nothing left. So that's it. That's all inside my bag. And of course, I have also my phone. Forgot to show you my phone, but it's really, really dirty. And basag na rin. May crack siya sa ilalim. Ayan. May crack na sa ilalim. Yung tempered glass. So, papafix ko na lang siya.
Dapat tignan din yan, diba? Charot.
To the back. Okay, so now it's Clay's turn to show what's in her bag. Oh, by the way, guys, my sister's here. My sister Ambri's here.
Ow.
So, you guys help us explain what's inside her bag.
You know, because a girl.
Girly things, what's ever inside the bag.
First, ito siya, yung bag ko. Binili siya ng daddy ko sa akin. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong brand to. Pero tara, buksan na natin. So, syempre, yung ponytail. Yan,
Hair
palagi
tie.
may dala ako palagi nito kasi yung buhok ko, guys. Yung buhok hag.
Baka sumabit kung saan-saan.
Palagi siyang sumasabit kung saan-saan. Syempre, ito, wallet. Ito yung laman ng wallet ko. Ayan. Meron tayong 10 piso. Ayan. Masahe. Kasi kailangan dapat may barya ka din. Ito, 50 tsaka 20 pesos. Yan. Yan lang yung mga laman ng wallet ko. Ito, hair
Bobby
pin.
pins.
Yan. Tapos picture. Ganun. Yan. Picture ko ng baby ako. Yan. Hindi makita. So, ayan.
Focus it.
Focus. Yawn. There.
Yan. Yung baby.
Oh, now we're too bright. Pale.
Tapos yun. Then, siyempre, importante ngayon, alcohol. Yan.
Mabango ba?
Especially in the
Yeah.
situation right now.
Oh, mabango. Smells good.
Especially in the situation.
Tapos, palagi ako may dalang earphone.
Earphones.
Earphones. Ayan. Hindi lang siya maayos kasi nga magulo yung bag ko. Yan.
Green.
Yan.
Wait, paano to suotin? Paano siya?
Ayan. Ito. Ayan.
It's like the one in the plane.
Tapos, itong wear dito sa likod.
Parang singer.
Ayan.
Singers.
Whoa. You can act like a singer. Just a quick ASMR.
Siyempre, ito. Body cream. Ayan.
Pag
Kasi
dry skin.
pag
Dry skin.
Skin. Nilalagay ko siya.
You can put that in your lips, you know.
Ito. Vicks.
Oh, we have the same one. Wait. Oh, yeah, we do have the same one.
Same type of Vicks. The lavender one smells good
I don't
actually.
know where it is, but I know it's
Ayan.
somewhere.
Namabango.
Yeah, so oh my god, smells so good. Lavender
And
Vicks.
that's still from a different country. Like, she told me.
Imported.
Imported, yeah. It's not available here.
Tapos ito. Next yung pabango. Para palagi tayo mabango.
Perfume.
Siyempre. Tapos ito. Bimpo. Kaya may bimpo. Mabango naman yun. Talaga ako
Bago laba.
naglalaban ng bimpo ko. Then, siyempre, ito, yung mga pang-retouch ko. Ayan. Ito.
What is that?
Yan. Ito, lipstick. Bigay ito ng regalo pala ito ng pinsan ko. Si Ate Sheena. Ayan.
So,
Lipstick.
galing daw from Ate Sheena from the recent vlog. You guys
Okay.
might notice her.
Ayan.
Naalala niyo siya from our last vlog.
Ayan siya.
Yung
Hey, focus.
Ayan. Ito yung tatak niya. Hairline. Ayan. Then, ito, lip tint. Yan, pala yung lip tint. Sa Shopee ko siya naman.
Does it taste good?
What's inside?
Matamis to eh. Parang matamis.
may flavoring.
Matamis yun.
Parang dugo.
Ay, para siyang dugo.
Dugo, fake blood. Ano pa?
Ito, mascara. Pero, kasi, ubos na siya. So, ang ginagawa ko dito, sayang naman kung tapon ko. Pero nililinis ko naman to. Nililinis ko naman yung loob. Pati yung loob nito. Ito, ginagamit ko na lang pang-brush ng hilay ko. Ayan. So,
It has the right texture.
Yun lang? That's it?
ito. Ball pen. Kasi, pag may pipirmahan ka sa labas, so, dapat always ready. Ganun. Parang Girl Scout.
Ano pa laman yan?
Ano to? Q-tip. Nasama sa bag ko. Naman yun. Di kasi
Pang
ako
clean
nag-
ng ears.
Di kasi ako nag-aayos ng gamit ko. So,
Nalalaglag na.
Okay.
Okay. Okay guys, so that's the end of this week's video. I hope you enjoyed it. please give this video a like.
And subscribe and comment down below any other suggestions.
And guys, if you want to follow Clay on her social media, what's your social media?
Clay. At It's Clay Ash.
Ayun. So also guys, subscribe to my sister's channel. I will be link it in the description box below. And that's it. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!
Ow!
Nalaglag pa.